Class C motorhomes are a peculiar family of RVs. They balance on the edge of rational spending and are just a little shy of turning your residence on wheels into a luxury castle. In this video, we'll refresh your knowledge about the best models within the segment of motorhomes, listing their pricing, vital amenities, and giving you a walk-around tour with inside-out views. So subscribe to Must See Tech for a regular dose of overlanding content, and let's roll! Tiffin Wayfarer. For the 2023 model year, Tiffin brings a few minor tweaks to the Wayfarer family, further strengthening its status of the RV manufacturer with high standards and loyal fans. Each of the four unique floor plans is underpinned by the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter cutaway chassis. It has standard hydraulic leveling from Bigfoot, Springs riding assistance system, and four-wheel ABS brakes. Also standard across the range is Tiffin's signature full-body paint with 3 layers of clear coat. There is a basement storage system, and perhaps the best in its class, powered patio awning with integrated LED lighting and built-in speakers. Common interior highlights include soft vinyl ceiling, updated overhead bunk, swivel tables, 2 captain's chair lounge cushions, and powered roof fans. Finally, the driver's area incorporates MBUX multimedia system with a 10.25-inch touchscreen, color instrument display, and heated seats with a swivel base. Burstner Lyseo Gallery TD. A traditional Class C motorhome has lower aerodynamic qualities, while a more streamlined B+ is lacking under-roof space for storage and sleeping. To solve this dilemma, the German RV maker Burstner is coming up with a hybrid solution. The Lyseo is equipped with the so-called inflatable gallery roof that can be raised in 90 seconds with the help of a compressor. The gallery adds 40 inches of headroom, is accessible via a fixed set of stairs, plus the presence of a small table upstairs allows to use the alcove as a small office. The Lyseo Gallery is based on the Fiat Ducato platform, has insulated sandwich flooring, and comes equipped with a full set of residential appliances, including a 142-liter fridge. Both available floor plans have spacious bathroom and homey interior materials with the Scandinavian color palettes. Winnebago View and Navion. Launched to the market in 2006, the View is one of the brand's most popular models. It sits in the Mercedes Sprinter chassis and offers 3 layouts, each perfectly suited for 4 travelers and equipped with a slide-out. 2 passengers are accommodated in a well-insulated cab-over bed. Plus, depending on the floor plan, there is a Murphy bed, a double, or twin singles for another 2 people. The cabin features Italian cabinetry, a dinette or a sofa, 2 TVs, a full kitchen with a huge window, and a bath. Outside, you can rest under the View's power awning, while all of your gear will easily fit in the exterior storage compartments. We should also mention that Winnebago offers this Class C under the name Navion, with slightly different color choices. If you plan to go off-grid, both can be fitted with the holding tanks, 200-watt solar, Group 31 batteries, and a 2-kilowatt inverter. Coachman Cross Trail. Offered in 2 sizes and 7 floor plans, the 2023 Coachman Cross Trail comes built over the Ford chassis, which can be either the E350, E450, or the Ford Transit, depending on the chosen modifications. Standard exterior highlights of the Cross Trail include composite vacuum-bonded sidewalls, cross-flex roof membrane, armless awning with LED lights and a sensor, all-terrain tires, and an oversized rear garage on select models. Interior features are quite typical. This Coachman offers a fully equipped kitchen with a 3-burner cooktop and an oven, a large shower, a Wi-Fi ranger, and a possibility to add a 380-watt solar system. The biggest 26XG model features a residential queen-sized bed, convertible U-shaped dinette, overcap beds, and an additional reclining sofa, which in total grants up to 8 people sleeping capacity. Do not let the stream of overlanding content to dry out. Smash the like button and we'll keep posting your favorite videos. Let's proceed. Adria Coral XL. Adrias are still our favorite RVs out there, mostly since they offer an exemplary combination of functionality, style, and relatively affordable pricing. The Coral XL is Adria's fully fledged Class C, capable of accommodating up to 7 people. It is offered in 2 trims, the entry-level Access based on the Citroën 6 with a 2-liter engine, and the high-specification Plus based on the Fiat 6 with a slightly larger 2.3-liter mill. Depending on the market, each is available in 3 to 4 floor layouts with 3 heating system choices, a smart kitchen with a tower fridge, a spacious bathroom, and an optional multimedia wall. The overcap sleeps 2 as standard and feels quite airy, featuring 1 panoramic and 2 side windows. Plus, the cabin can be easily customized if you opt for one of 6 upholstery choices and add factory-fitted carpets, cushions, and coverlets. Leisure Van Unity. A rather new model on the Class C scene, the Unity was launched just a few years ago, but it has already grown its range to 6 available layouts. All are underpinned by the latest Mercedes Sprinter 3500 chassis, fitted with a 3-liter V6 turbo diesel engine. All floor plans are carefully designed to offer a luxury home feel. You get plenty of shelving, cabinets, and other storage solutions. Plus, each floor plan offers its own sleeping arrangement for 2 to 4 people. All of the models get a full dry bathroom, 15K BTU roof ducted air conditioner, Truma AquaGo Comfort Plus, and water filtration systems. Plus, the kitchen packs not only a cooktop, but also a convection microwave oven. Among the available tech components are 2 TVs, a Bluetooth soundbar, a GM coach batteries, and a 2-kilowatt inverter. Chausson Low Profile. The French RV maker Chausson claims that low profile is the most commonly used type of motorhome in Europe. This Class C offers you freedom of choice when it comes to the customization opportunities. Choice of carrier, choice of cab color, choice of lounge, bedding, and equipment. Like the majority of the old world's RV makers, Chausson are using Ford Transit and Fiat Ducato platforms, both powered by the Euro 6D compliant clean diesels. The Transit gets a 2-liter mill with up to 170 HP, while the Ducato utilizes a 2.3-liter multi-jet good for 180 horses. There is a 6 stat of low profiles that can provide accommodations for up to 6 travelers. Sleeping arrangements include hideaway, twin, island, and queen beds for various family configurations. Among notable interior features, we should mention an opening cab panoramic sky roof, roomy shower, and a tall hauling compartment in the back. Winnebago Echo. Added to the lineup in 2020, the Echo is the company's smallest and cheapest Class C motorhome. It is built on the chassis of the Ford Transit van with a 3.5-liter V6 gasoline engine and standard all-wheel drive. It arrives 4-season and off-grid ready, offering full insulation that even covers the gear garage, ducted AC, Truma Vario heating, 455 watts of solar, second alternator, and lithium-ion batteries. You can take a hot shower thanks to the standard Truma AquaGo water heater linked to a 50-gallon freshwater tank and appropriate wastewater tanks. The rear is occupied by the twin-bed system that converts into a queen, while the front houses a kitchen and a dedicated dinette area. As standard, the Echo sleeps 2 people, but there is an available pop-up top option for 2 more. We should also mention the model's unique bathroom. that switches from the dry to wet bath modes using a pivoting wall. Thor Motor Coach Quantum. Whether you're looking for a more compact Class C under 25 feet or a larger 33-footer with sleeping for 7, the 9 floor plans of the Quantum have got you covered. Underpinned by a standard Ford E-Series or the optional Chevy chassis, this Thor Motor Coach has a vacuum-bond laminated bodywork with block foam insulation, a fiberglass front cap, and a sophisticated MoRide suspension offered on the select models. On the inside, it goes for the American home feel with a queen or king bed. There are multiple closets, a gourmet kitchen with the accent countertop lights, and a dry bath that can have 2 entry points. Depending on the layout, there are such great features as theater seating, 32 or 40-inch TVs, exterior kitchen, and an outside mega storage compartment. We should also mention that alternatively, the Quantum motorhome is available on the more expensive Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, with a V6 turbo diesel, 25 feet 10 inches overall length, and 2 floor plans. Jayco Melbourne Prestige. When one thinks of the Jayco RVs, only huge Super Cs, fifth wheels, and toy haulers come to mind. However, this historic American manufacturer does carry a smaller, still premium Class C model that is built on the upgraded Mercedes-Benz 3500 chassis with a 170-inch wheelbase. The Melbourne Prestige is powered by a proven turbo V6 diesel engine. It has a 10.25-inch infotainment and all the latest safety assists of a Mercedes. There are 4 floor plans to choose from, sleeping up to 5 people, and boasting of multiple slide-outs. Given that the starting price is $200,000, this Jayco has all the residential comforts you can think of. To name the few, a 15K B2 air conditioner and 30K furnace controlled via the J-Command climate system, winterized Stronghold VBL exterior paneling, standard solar power, and a one-piece seamless front cap with a panoramic window. What is your dream Class C motorhome? Mention the personal preferences in the comments below. Subscribe to Must See Tech and ring the bell to get notified about the upcoming video releases. Smash the like button and proceed to exploring 2023 motorhomes and caravan trailers through the links on the screen. We'll see you soon.